An item has a difficulty index of 0.40 to 0.59. What is your interpretation of this item? Is it letter A, most difficult, letter B, difficult, letter C, moderate, or letter D, easiest? A lot of letter C's, and that will be tumpak. Ito po yung ating hinahanap, 0.4 to 0.59. It is moderately difficult. Sakto lang, no? Swak lang yung kanyang pagkahirap, no, yung kanyang difficulty, and so we have to retain this item. Baka medyo nahihirapan kayong tingnan siya or i-interpret siya dahil nasa decimal form, i-convert into your percentage. Etong 0.2 mo, ilipat mo lang po yung decimal point 2 times to the right at ilagay yung inyong percentage sign, no, magiging 20% po siya. It's also good to retain difficult items, di ba? Kasi nadidiscriminate niya kung sino yung talagang nag-aral or sino yung talagang marunong.